This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Barbara Wall. Investor alert. This fixer-upper is ready for a transformation. Located in Clement's Wood. An adorable neighborhood and great functional floor plan, a little TLC and vision, and this home would be absolutely charming. 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, living and dining areas. Galley kitchen. Enclosed sunroom. 1-car garage. Screen porch. Utility room and laundry hookups. Shed with electric. New air conditioner April 2018. New roof August 2014 with peel and stick underlayment. New electric panel June 2015. Walk to Clementswood Park. This 5.4-acre park offers a softball field, a playground, restrooms and a picnic area, as well as a large green space. Great location, minutes to 195, the airport and the beaches. Close to dining and entertainment. A-rated schools. Call today. For more information, review the details below or contact Barbara Wall at 321-308-0335.